Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the Marvelous Marble Contrasting Colors collab. I'm starting off with Bases Loaded Lacquer Low and Away as my base coat. It's a foundation colored base coat, kind of sheer, but I think it's going to work great for this because I'm not water marbling my whole nail. I'm doing something that a friend of mine has sent me, Lee Mayer 5, sent me a message via Instagram and sent me a link to go watch Sveta Sanders do this. And I'm not doing mine exactly like hers, but I'm so trying, and I am going to keep trying. But I'm going in with like a kind of plain base coat here. And now I'm going to top coat this so it can dry down so that I can do my water marbling bit. Yes, indeed. Alright, so this is Bases Loaded Lacquer, and this one is called Booze and Bats. Beautiful orange. And then Braves Diva, her mother was a too beautiful blue, and I thought these colors were pretty contrasting. So, if I can remember, I'll try to leave the link for Sveta Sanders down below so you can see what I saw and what I was trying to do with this. But you're wanting to kind of do a little bit of design, but you're wanting to get it away from the edge of the cup. And see, anytime I wouldn't want it to cover the edge of the cup, it would. So I'm going over here to the side because I just want a bit of it. There we go. Got good on that one. And then I'm just doing it with all the nails, going in from the side where the water's clear and no paint, and then just kind of scooping my nail underneath it and getting, see, I'm trying to scooch some to make me a hole there. There we go. See, kind of like that. But I'm kind of doing like a French tip jive thing with it, you know, just trying to do it that way. Okay, got a stringy there. I'm just going to break it off with that toothpick there. And then I've got one more to do, and I don't want to have to do another round, so my thumb is going to be a little bit lighter than the other ones, but it's okay because then I'll make the picture anyway. I should also have a hashtag down below if you'd like to go check out the other contrasting colors marbled over there on Instagram. I'm doing a little cleanup here with my cleanup brush. And I didn't use any latex or tape on this because I wasn't dipping my whole finger in it. So I wasn't too worried about that mess part of it. Just doing a little cleaning, tidying up here. But I really did like this, and I thought this was fun. I'm going to top it with a smudge-free top coat because I feel like it's still a little wet. And I don't want to mess it up with my top coating. And once that's dry, I'm going in with Posh Top Coat to finish this one off. And I have to say I'm really happy with it. Really happy with it. There we go. Across that free edge there. Get Woody out here. Thank you, Woody. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do one more with the top coat. I really liked it. I thought it was fun. Pretty cool. Pretty groovy. And here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think about it. Alright, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.